Good morning, students. Welcome to Network Security Lab class for 6th semester IT students. On today's class, we'll be discuss about antivirus. What are the popular antivirus softwares are there? What is the procedure to install an antivirus? And how to make update the antivirus software. So let's start with what is antivirus. Antivirus software is a type of program designed and developed to protect computers from all sorts of malwares like, as you know, virus, computer worms, spyware, botnets, rootkits, keyloggers, etc. That means it is a set of programs which can detect and remove all the harmful and malicious software from your device. This antivirus software is designed in a manner that they can search through the files in a computer and determines the files which are heavy or mildly infected by a virus. There are many versions and types of antivirus programs are present on the market. So, see what are the different popularly antivirus softwares are present in market which are commonly used by the user. That is your Norton antivirus, Quickhill antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus, Avast antivirus, McAfee antivirus, etc. Now, what is the procedure to install an antivirus software into your system? As we are having the idea, if your system is infected with virus, so to clean that virus, to delete that virus from your system, you have to install one antivirus software on your computer. So let's see what is the procedure, how the installation of antivirus software should be installed on your computer. How to install an antivirus program on a computer? Antivirus programs help prevent viruses and spyware from infecting a computer and therefore are one of the essential software programs each computer should have running at all times. There are thousands of viruses and spyware on the internet is there, and any one of them can cause damage to your personal files or the computer's operating systems. So if the operating system is getting corrupted or any personal file is getting corrupted, you are not able to work, because as previously we discussed on our virus topic, if viruses affect your operating system, so next day your system is not getting started. So if your system is not getting started, you are not able to work. Otherwise, if it is hamper any personal data files, so the important data is vanished from your disk. Okay, so to protect this type of virus, we have to get the procedure how to install the antivirus. And as a note, you know that on your Windows itself, means on your Microsoft Windows itself, we are having one type of Windows Defender program that is to help protect your computer from your viruses. Okay, so by default, whenever you are installing the Windows operating system, so Windows Defender software is there, that is also to protect the virus. Okay, now see, install the antivirus program. So to install an antivirus program on your computer, we have to follow these are the steps. So we are having the idea that when we are purchasing the original software of antivirus, we have to purchase the software, and that software is nothing but consist of some CD or DVD along with the product key also. Okay, now see, If you purchase the antivirus program from a retail store, insert the CD or DVD into your computer disk drive. Okay, so whenever you are purchasing the antivirus software, you got one DVD or one CD along with the product key also. Okay, now the installation process will start automatically with a window opening to help guide you through the install process. So if you download the antivirus program on the internet, find the downloaded file on your computer. If the downloaded file is in a zip file, zip means it is totally compressed. The file size is totally compressed. So for that you have to unzip the file to extract and access the installation files. For a file named as setup.exe or install.exe. Okay, so that means whenever you are installing any software file, it may be antivirus software or any other software, it must consist with a setup.exe file or install.exe. So for this simple, you have to double click that file. Okay, so when you double click this file, which one, this setup.exe or install.exe, your installation process should start with a window opening to help guide you through the installation process. Okay, so after installation of original DVD or CD, one window is displayed. From that window, you have to select the setup.exe file or the install.exe file. By double clicking in that file, automatically the installation is going on starting. Okay, then in the installation process window, follow the steps provided to install the antivirus program. The install process provides recommended option so the antivirus program will function properly, which in most cases can be accepted as is. The one update the antivirus program after installation. So what is the procedure? How you are update the antivirus program? An antivirus program are not up to date and are missing the latest virus and spyware's definitions. Without the latest definition, the antivirus program will not know about the most recently created viruses and spyware, making your computer as infected. So after installing the antivirus program, we highly recommended you update it with the latest virus and spyware definition. The updates allows the antivirus program to protect your computer from the viruses and spywares. In many cases, the antivirus program automatically checks for and install the latest updates. If prompted to do so, select yes to update the antivirus program. If it does not prompt you to update immediately. Next is your how to enable automatic update for the antivirus program. So by default, most antivirus programs enable the automatic update feature. We strongly recommended automatic updates be enabled to keep the antivirus program up to date at all times. To check if automatic updates are enabled in your antivirus program, so follow these general steps. Like first is your open that antivirus program, then look for a setting or go to where advanced setting or link in the antivirus program window. If you do not see either option, so this type of option if you are not able to see, so look for an option like updates or something similar. Okay. Now next is in the setting or updates window, look for an option like automatically download and apply update. Okay, so you have to make it on this option. It may also refer to virus definitions instead of updates. For the automatic updates option, check the box for that option if not already checked. Click the Save or Apply button to save the settings change. So here you got the idea about antivirus, how to install the antivirus, how to enable the automatic update of antivirus, how to update the antivirus. Okay, so these are the performances done by the antivirus software, or these are the features are available in antivirus software. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss more of things.